So we just got done looking at proportional linear relationships. And so in the examples, again, I showed you one that was not a proportional relationship, and then I showed you an example that was. I just want to show you real quick on the graph what those would look like. So here's my Celsius and Fahrenheit. I've graphed them for you. I accidentally put a dot in the wrong spot, so disregard that point right there. All right, and we know that this one is not a direct proportional relationship. And the other reason I know that is when I graph it here, and I graph those lines, here's what you notice, okay? Number one, that is a linear line. It is a straight line. So that's what makes it a linear relationship. However, what makes it not a proportional relationship is because it has to go through this origin right here. The origin is where 0, 0 meets. So if this linear relationship does not go through this point right here and connect right here at 0, 0, then it will not be a proportional relationship. And that's another way to look at a graph and determine it. So if the graph does not go through 0, 0, the origin, it is not a proportional relationship. Whereas if we look at this one, that second one that we did of the price and the number of cans, if I take my ruler here and I draw a line, okay, you'll notice that that line does go through 0, 0. Okay, and so an easy visual way to see whether or not a graph is a proportional relationship is just determine, does it go through the origin? Yes, it does. And so as a result, yes, this is a proportional relationship, whereas this one is not. So just review again real quick. A proportional relationship will have a linear relationship that goes through the origin, which is 0, 0 on your graph. If it does not go through 0, 0, it is not a proportional relationship. But this one is a linear relationship.